Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have you ever heard about a conflict between the Madris and DIAZ? It's just a conflict between only two tribes, and yet it's already scary, right? Now imagine if all the tribe and ethnicity or race in Indonesia is on clash one with the other. That will be nightmare. Hello everyone, I'm WILLYANTO from Senior EXPO 1 Bungo. What a beautiful and peaceful day it is. I really hope the days are always peaceful like this. But sadly, if the big clash that I mentioned earlier really happened, well, we should say goodbye to our peaceful day, and maybe we should say hello to tragedy. Ladies and gentlemen, to prevent that, we only need one thing, a unity. Now a question comes to your minds. Can we really create a unity in a place full of diversity like Indonesia? Of course, yes, we can, because the difference of culture, religion, ethnicity is not an obstacle to create a unity. Instead, it's that diversity that will perfect our unity, make the difference as a value that make our nation unique. But how? Because in reality, there are still many racism acts that happen in Indonesia. Whether it's a racism towards ethnicity like Chinese, Bataknis, Papuan, or towards religion like Christian, Hindu, Buddhist, and even Muslim. So how we can create a unity? The answer is simple. Just be friend. Be friend with everyone, regardless their religion, their ethnicity, or their race. Because when you become friend with someone, you will share a same feeling. That feel will turn to empathy. Ladies and gentlemen, racism is caused by hatred. Hatred is caused by an idea, an ideology. That ideology is taught by the society. Why I can say that? Because no one in this world that is born to hate. Hatred is taught by the society, by the older generation, and even by people with some particular purpose. And it's our duty as the young generation to seek the truth behind all this doctrine, behind all the stigma. Together, we, the young generation, we say enough! Enough with all the hatred and racism! We do not want to hate anyone. We just want to live together in peace and harmony. You might think, is it really that simple? Yes, it's always that simple. Our founding father already passed down an ideology that will give us a way to unity. We no longer need to think about how to make the path, because the path is already there. It's Pancasila. Pancasila will be our way to unity. Imagine you and me. We are in opposite sides of a land, separated by a cliff of diversity. Pancasila will be the bridge that connected us. No matter what's your religion, what's your ethnicity, as long as we consider each other as a friend, and we share the same love, same respect, and uphold the Pancasila, we can create the unity and peace will exist in our nation. It's our duty as the young generation to ensure that the unity in diversity will remain for the eternity. Thanks for your attention. You have been a great audience. I'm RIZKY Willianto. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.